For today's Manufacturing Minute, let's try something new. Hi, this is Greg. We're going to talk about great moments in manufacturing history. Specifically, 99 years ago this month, Henry Ford announced that his factory was going to go to an 8-hour workday and that he was going to pay a minimum wage of $5 a day. Now, this was a big deal because back then $5 bought a lot. But Ford did not do this out of the goodness of his heart. This was an economic decision because his plant was spending so much money on hiring and training new workers. Turnover was so high that he figured it's better to pay more and keep people in the factory. So the pay went from $2.34 a day up to $5 a day, and the workday went from 9 hours down to 8 hours. So he more than doubled what people were getting paid. Now the result of this was exactly as predicted. People did not want to leave, and by staying longer in the factory they got better and better at their jobs, so productivity went up. But it had another effect too, and that was the best machinists and mechanics and workers in the area wanted to come work for Henry Ford, and when they got in the factory, productivity continued to go up. So it was a decision that paid off not only for the workers but for Henry Ford as the owner of that plant. What's interesting to me is that the government did not have to tell him pay a minimum wage and make it a good wage. He knew that by doing so he was going to do well for himself as well as for his workers. And I think that's a good lesson to take from this great moment in manufacturing history. Thanks for watching the Manufacturing Minute. See you next time.